everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Lunar New Year Dragon. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Lunar New Year Dragon, let's begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's just going to curve up like this, kind of like a wavy check mark. Next, I'm going to add a couple little points right along here. Underneath the eyebrow, let's draw a line that curves up for the actual eyeball. And then let's make a little half of a oval shape, and we'll color in most of that, leaving just a little bit white. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up and down, and then a little bump here for the nose. And we're going to make a little dot right there. Next, I'm going to make a couple bumps right here, and I'll bring it up to there. Next, I'm going to bring this line around and connect it to there for the nose. Right here, I'm going to make a long, wavy line that's just going to go down, and then I'll bring it up. Keep it really nice and skinny for like the whiskers. And then I'll do another one here, just same thing, just kind of come down and bring it up. Then I'll make some little points right there. Then starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up and then down here. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to curve down. I'm going to make a line that's going to come up here. I'm going to bring this up, and I'm going to put a few little points on here. Next, I'm going to make a long, sharp tooth here, and then I'll make some smaller teeth back here. Then I'll do the same thing. I'll make a long, sharp tooth, and then a couple smaller ones. Then starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come out, put a couple points, and then we'll bring it back here for the tongue. Right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to curve up and then down for the ear. A little curve and a line here. And then I'm going to put a couple more little points right there. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up and down to start the horns. I'll do another one here, and then one more long one there. Then I'll do the same thing right here as I come down. I'll make a curved line for the top of the head. And then I'm going to make some long, kind of pointed little lines coming out here for kind of like a mane right around my dragon. Right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down, and then it's just going to come right to here. And then I'll do the same thing here. I'm just going to go up like this. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve up. I'm going to come down. I'm going to curve this around. And then I'm going to come back up here. Next, I'm going to curve this line around. We're going to come down here, kind of over this mane, and we'll come right to here. Bring it down a little bit farther. And then I want to make a leg here. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down, and then it's going to angle out. I'll draw a line that's going to curve around, and it's going to come back for one of the toes. We'll do one here. We'll do one here. and then one more right here and kind of curve it up. Next, I'll bring this up and into here. And then I'm going to put a few little points on the end. I'm going to color in some little pointy oval shapes for the claws. Then I'll curve this line around, and I'm going to bring it down to here. And then I'll put another one right here. I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down at an angle and then back at an angle. I'll make a line right here, one right here, one here, and then one more right here and curve it in. We'll bring this up and then in. And then we'll color in these little oval shapes. Put some little points on the end. Then I'm going to curve this up, and then as I get closer towards the end, I'm going to make it nice and small. So it looks like it's getting skinnier as it comes down. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out and then over. I'll draw a line that's going to curve around and come up here. Then I'm going to make 1, 2, and then 3 little oval shapes. Then I'll make a little curved line in here, so this will be like a little pearl that the dragon is holding. Then I'll curve a line up, and I'll bring it over and then in. Then I'll add the little colored in pointy ovals for the claws. Then I'm going to put a couple little points right here. Next, right here, I'm going to draw a line that comes out. And then I'm going to make some more toes on here, just these long, kind of bumpy lines. And we'll bring it right up. Then I'm going to color these in. Now, right across here, I'm going to draw a nice line that's going to come all the way down here. So I'm going to bring this line up, and I'm going to curve this down to here. I'm going to bring this line around, and we'll bring it right to this leg. And then I'm going to bring this all the way down to the end of the tail. Next, all we want to do is just kind of fill this in with these little lines, and these are just going to follow the curve of the dragon's body. So I'm going to speed this up and fill all these little lines in. Now, once I'm done with that, I'm going to start making the spikes on the back. Now, the spikes are just going to be kind of curved and pointed right across the back of our dragon. So I'm just going to make these sharp, kind of curved spikes all the way across. So I'm just going to make these come all the way across here. And I'm just going to bring these all the way down towards the end of the tail, but I'm going to stop right before I get to the end. Now, starting here, I'm going to make some lines that come out and kind of curve back in. And then I'm going to bring them up and do the same thing on this side. Then the last thing is right across here, I'm going to make some of these little kind of like U shapes all over. And this is just going to give it like a little bit of a scale texture. So I'm just going to kind of put these all around here. And we're just going to make these little U shapes all over here, just to give it like a little scaly texture pattern. And there you go, there is your drawing of a Chinese dragon. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.